Crafty Tae and Van. So today we're about to open
the mystery box.
So let's start opening.
Come on, come on. Oh, can you hold me? Woo! I don't know what's inside.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
What is this?
Whoa!
It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van.
It's Crafty. Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van.
This is so cool. Okay, let's open it all the way up. Let's see what's
Let's
inside.
tape. You can open that.
No, go that side. Okay.
Whoa! This is
Yeah. Okay, so these look like butterflies.
Yeah, they do.
We're gonna look at the instructions. So let's open this thing all the way up.
Yep. This is how you do it. Oh, there's instruction right here.
Oh, here's the guns. Take them all out.
Yep. Oh, let me get this one. Where we should put these scissors at? So, where we should put these scissors at?
Put them down.
Oh,
Okay, let's look at the
wow.
instructions.
So, here's the guns.
Looks like those are butterfly things or whatever.
Oh, now I know.
Okay.
They just have to go like this.
So
the green
it's
thing,
showing
the
us
green thing.
right
Whoa.
right here where all the stuff is. So yeah. And then it's gonna tell us, oh, we're gonna also need some batteries, so it's gonna tell us we need to open it right here.
How do you do that, Taylor?
Oh, so cool.
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, we're gonna open these.
Oh, like this. I did it there, actually. There we go. I got it.
Whoa!
I think
Oh yeah, let me show you how it
Pew, pew,
looks.
pew, pew. I think these are little cameras, guys. These little things.
No?
Oh.
Let's keep opening. And let me move these out the way for right now. So we won't
Let's
lose
see
them.
if we can find.
We're gonna see, and we got the batteries in it, and we're gonna see how these guns work. So it told us we're gonna have to turn it on like this.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Let's see. What is this button? Let's try this button.
Shotgun.
Oh, so this is like when you press this button, you get to get a team. So you get to choose a team.
And guys, if you press that button,
Machine gun.
and you have to press this, then you have to shoot it.
This one means it will give you a different kind of shooter. Let's see.
Shotgun. Machine gun.
Okay, let's see how this one works.
Place and bullet. Let's go.
Oh, so that's how that one works. Let's try this one.
Rocket gun.
Guys, maybe let's try this.
Whoa, that one's cool.
Let me try this.
Okay, so we're gonna start.
What?
Mine started. Mine did something. I don't know how that happened. How did that happen? Oh, so if you shoot someone's gun, you can lose a life. So these three, it's almost like Jumanji. But yeah, so see.
Place and bullet.
Oh. Oh, that's how it works. That's
She
really
shoot
cool.
my thing, so I only got 2 things.
Yeah, so I only have 2 lives left. That's really cool. So let's start playing. Okay, we're about to get ready to play. So let's go.
Are we going?
Yeah. Oh.
What yours said?
Buzzing.
You say yours over? I think hers over. What yours doing? You lost. Is yours buzzing too?
It's buzzing like real fast.
All right, yours buzzing? Well, you out. You out. Yeah, game over. It's saying game over. Can y'all hear? That was pretty neat. That was pretty sweet, y'all. That's game over, y'all. So you won.
You won.
Try one. Y'all doing it again?
Yeah.
All right, they about to play again. 3, 2, 1. Stop covering. Y'all cheating. You can't go like that. Y'all some cheaters. You can't go like this. You a cheater? No, you cheater reader. Get your hand from right there. Let's see you going like that. Oh, you out. You out. So it's y'all too.
Oh, I'm out.
You out too? Did it say game over?
No, look at your thing. I got 2 lives.
Oh, I got 2 lives too.
All right. Go hide in the car. Why would you stand right here? Oh, game over. Dang. That is pretty sweet, y'all. That's tight. I like that.
It'll stop beeping after it's
I like that. So it'll start beeping and then it'll say game over.
Alright, we're doing it again because
All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Oh, you got hit. You gotta move. Don't stand there. You can't put your hand right there. Why you stand in one spot? Move. Oh my God. Game over already?
Yeah.
Who won? Who won? How many you got? Yeah, yours done.
She did.
You dead. Yours dead?
yeah, mine. So y'all got.
You want it in? Oh man.
We're doing.
Okay, we're gonna do some. Oh, we're gonna do teams. So me and Takai live together and them two.
Oh, your dreams.
All right, y'all ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, let's see who's gonna win. Uh-oh.
Shotgun.
Oh yeah.
You got a shotgun.
Oh, I'm out.
You out?
Wait, no, I didn't say game over yet.
Oh, yours out? You got 3? No, it ain't gonna be game over till she lose.
Oh yeah.
Y'all on teams? Yes.
She did, right?
I don't know.
No, until she died. When it's game over.
They are running. Van, don't go on that road. You got this. Don't fall on there and hurt yourself. So how is it? You like that? It's pretty fun, huh? He's cheating. He's getting in the van, y'all. Look at him. He's cheating, y'all. Look. He's getting in the van, y'all. He's look. He's using. Look at him, y'all. He's using extra stuff, y'all. Look. Okay. Oh! Game over! You got her with the rocket launcher.
I'm trying to get one kill with it.
Dang, that's what's up, man. Y'all have fun?
Yeah.
That was pretty fun, huh? Dang.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching us play these lasers game. And it was super fun. You guys should get one. And how did you like it, man? Good, 1,000. Yes, I loved it. So like and subscribe.